Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Welcome to your chemistry class of standard 10. Today I will discuss about alcohol, aldehyde and fatty acid. At first, alcohol. Alcohols are compounds in which one or more hydrogen atoms in an alkane have been replaced by an hydroxyl group. That means when one hydrogen atom from an alkane compound is replaced by this OH group, that is hydroxyl group, then the produced compound is known as alcohol, and its general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. You know that the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So when one hydrogen is replaced by hydroxyl group, then its general formula becomes this, and its functional group name is hydroxyl, that is OH. Now follow here, there are some examples of alcohol. You know that the formula of methane is CH4. So when one hydrogen from methane is replaced by hydroxyl group, then its name is methanol, CH3OH, methanol. Ethane, C2H6, one hydrogen when is replaced by hydroxyl group, then its name is ethanol. So this is ethanol and its chemical formula is C2H5OH. Like this way, easily you can write the formula of propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, etc. Now we will know about the naming of alcohols. Alcohol, in case of alcohol compound, you have to consider the longest carbon chain which contains hydroxyl group, and you have to numbering the carbon chain from that side in which hydroxyl functional group is nearer the end. Now follow the name. This is simply propanol 1 or propan 1-ol. Here you have to mention the carbon number in which hydroxyl is replaced. So here we can see in first carbon hydroxyl group is present. For this 1 you have to mention here 1, and this is 3 carbon members for this propan. So it's better if you write here propan 1-ol, or you can write 1 propanol, any one, but it is better if you write propan 1-ol. Now follow the second example. This is from this side. In second carbon hydroxyl group is present. For this you have to, from this side you have to numbering the longest chain. So in second carbon, and this is butan, isn't it? So butan 2-ol or 2-butanol, butan 2-ol or 2-butanol. Follow this example. From this side hydroxyl group is nearer of the end, so numbering should be started from left side, and this is the compound of 6 carbons. So its name will be what, and also there is a prefix 5-methyl. So 5-methyl hexane 2-ol, 5-methyl hexane 2-ol or 2-hexanol. Now follow more examples. Follow here, this is simply pentanol or pentan 1-ol, and follow here there is also present double bonds, and in second carbon there is present hydroxyl group. So and this is the member of 5 carbons. So pent 3 in 2-ol, pent 3 in third carbon there is present double bond. For this pent 3 in 2-ol or 3-pentin 2-ol, any way you can write the name. Now follow here in from this side numbering should be started because more substitution occurs in second carbon. So 2 to 4 triol, that means here 3 to 5 pentan 2 to 4 triol, pentan 2 to 4 triol or 2 to 4 pentan triol. Similarly here the name will be what, here 2,4. So 4-methyl hexane 2,4-diol, 4-methyl hexane 2,4-diol. Like this way easily you can write the name of any alcoholic compound. Now we will know about preparation of alcohol from alkane, alkene or alkyl halide. At first, from alkane. Alkane, when reacts with halogen in presence of UV light, that means in presence of sunlight, in that cases there is produced alkyl halide and hydrogen chloride. Follow here, methane when reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight, then there is produced what? Chloroethane, or that is known as also methyl chloride. Methyl chloride and hydrogen chloride. This is actually known as alkyl halide or alkyl chloride. Now, when alkene reacts with hydrogen halide or hydrogen bromide, in that cases there is produced what? Ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. That means this is also alkyl halide. And you have to follow here, if the alkene member is of more carbon, for example here butene, so in that cases this bromine will attach to the double bonded carbon, one of the double bonded carbon. Follow here, not this first carbon or 4 carbon, here bromine will be attached with the second carbon or third carbon. And I hope you understood the facts. For this, when butene reacts with hydrogen bromide, in that cases there will be produced 2-bromobutane, either in this carbon or in this carbon. Now, when the alkyl halide which we obtain from alkane or alkene reacts with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, in that cases there is produced alcohol and sodium bromide. There can be used potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. So now one question is here, if question may come like this way, how will you produce alcohol from alkane? In that cases what you have to do? In that cases you have to write the first part. At first, from alkane reacts with halogen and produce alkyl halide, and then you have to write this part, alkyl halide reacts with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. That means you have to omit the second part from in which I have shown alkene, from alkene production of alkyl halide. Now if the question may come like this way, how can you produce alcohol from alkene? In that cases you have to quit the first part, alkane part, you have to start from alkene. So that means according to question you have to give the answer. Actually in a chemistry one reaction is related to other reactions. For this according to question you have to write the answer properly. Now follow the uses of alcohols. Alcohol is used in different purposes such as drinks. The alcohol in alcoholic drinks is simply ethanol. That means the alcohol which actually are taken as drinks, this is simply ethanol, dilute ethanol. That means not pure ethanol, there is mixed a huge amount of water. And industrial methylated spirit, methylated spirit whose name is meths. Methylated spirit means this is actually toxic, and because here to prepare the methylated spirit, actually ethanol is mixed with the small amount of methanol. Ethanol is mixed with methanol, and methanol is poisonous. So in this methylated spirit actually is unfit to drink. So this is a toxic ethanol. When methanol is mixed with ethanol, this is toxic, and its name is methylated spirit. Also ethanol is used as fuel. Ethanol is also called the biofuel because ethanol also can be produced from the biological matter such as in fermentation process, such as from potato, from barley, etc. So for this, and this ethanol also can be used as fuel because it burns with oxygen and produce a huge amount of carbon dioxide heat with carbon dioxide and water vapor. For this, like other fuels, fossil fuel, also ethanol can be used as fuel, and it is known as biofuel. Follow here. Ethanol burns to give carbon dioxide, water, and can be used as fuel in its own right or in mixtures with petrol. That means when ethanol mixed with petrol, its name is gasohol, is a petrol or ethanol mixture containing about 10 to 20% ethanol. That means in others different foreign countries such as Brazil, America, etc., there this gasohol is used as fuel, and this gasohol is what? Here ethanol is mixed with petrol. 10 to 20% ethanol is mixed with petrol. Now it actually save the fuel reserves. For this they are used this gasohol. Now also ethanol is used as a solvent. Ethanol is widely used as a solvent. It is relatively safe and can be used to dissolve many organic compounds which are insoluble in water. It is used, for example, in many perfumes and cosmetics. That means in many perfumes and cosmetics industries, instead of in case of solvent, ethanol is used because there is in that cases actually water cannot be used as solvent. So here ethanol is perfect solvent, act as perfect solvent to dissolve those organic compounds. Now we will know about the aldehydes. Aldehyde is a homologous series of organic compound which contains a functional group with structure of CHO. CHO is aldehyde group. Its name is aldehyde group. Follow here. This is known as methanal or formaldehyde. Actually aldehyde in naming, its name is alkanal. So we know that methane CH4, that is one carbon. So the member of aldehyde which contains one carbon is known as methanal or formaldehyde. Now this is 2 carbon. For this its name is ethanal, ethanal, and it contains CHO functional group. For this is aldehyde, acetaldehyde or ethanol, formaldehyde or methanal. This is 3 carbon members of aldehyde, so its name is propanal. Like this way actually aldehydes compounds are named. More information. So the general formula of aldehyde is CnH2n plus 1 CHO, and its functional group name is what? Aldehyde group. And in case of naming, instead of N there will be anal. Methane will be methanal. Now one important information is there. Carbon double bond O. This part is actually known as carbonyl group. Carbonyl group member. You know that ketone, the functional group of ketone is also C double bond O. So this group is name is carbonyl group, and the compounds which contains these carbonyl groups are known as carbonyl groups member. And for this aldehyde and ketone both homologous series, these members of both homologous series are known as carbonyl compound because they contain C double bond O group. For this both are known as carbonyl compound. Aldehyde and ketone both compounds are known as carbonyl compound, and the compound which specifically contains CHO, this group, they are known as aldehydes. For this, sometimes you have seen in definition, organic compounds which contains carbonyl group are known as aldehydes. This is not wrong, this is also correct, but it will be better if you specify the organic compound which contains CHO group, they are known as aldehydes. Now follow the naming of aldehyde compound. Follow here. In that cases, similar with alcohol, the longest chain will be you have to consider the longest chain which contains CISO group and which is actually near the end. In that side, numbering should be studied, and always you have to remember more things which you have to remember in cases of aldehyde and carboxylic acid, and that is the carbon of the functional group will be one first carbon. That means from aldehyde group you have to numbering should be started. So this carbon is always first carbon of the longest carbon chain. So if we numbering from this side, then what will be here? 4 bromo according to alphabetical order. 4 bromo 1 2 3 4 4 bromo 2 methyl hexanal, and the carbon number of aldehyde is not mentioned here because this carbon of the functional group is always will be first carbon. For this, no need to mention the carbon number here. So of functional group, so its name is 4 bromo 2 methyl hexanal. Now follow this compound. This is the longest carbon chain, and 1 2 3 4 carbon. So numbering should be started from this side because this is the first carbon. So 2 ethyl, now name will be what? 2 ethyl ethanal, 2 ethyl, not ethanol, 2 ethyl butanol, 2 ethyl 1 2 3 4 butanol. Sorry, this is wrong. 2 ethyl butanol, 2 ethyl butanol. Now follow here, its name will be what? 1 2 2 methyl butanol, 2 methyl butanol, there will be butanol, 2 methyl butanol, and there will be 2 ethyl butanol. What will be its name? 1 2 3 4, just simply butanol, simply butanol. So like this way you can actually write the name of any aldehydes. Now we will know about preparation of aldehyde. Follow here. We can prepare aldehyde by the oxidation of alcohol. In previous slides we have seen the production of alcohol. So from alcohol, when alcohol reacts with potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, actually here potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid mixed with alcohol, that means here alcohol is oxidized to produce aldehyde, and also we can prepare aldehyde from alkyne. When alkyne reacts with water in presence of mercuric sulfate or sulfuric acid, in that cases at first there is produced aldehyde, and in next time there is produced ketone, but firstly we can produce aldehyde. Follow here, alkyne reacts with water and this is produced at first vinyl alcohol, but this is very unstable. For this we will get a stable product, aldehyde, CaSO, aldehyde. So my dear students, here also you can remember that if the question may come like this, how will you produce aldehyde from alkane, then how will you write the answer? Alkane, just for example ethane. So previously we have seen how can you convert or produce ethanol from ethane. So at first you have to write those parts, how will you produce from ethane to ethanol, then from ethanol to you have to produce from the oxidization you have to produce what? Ethanol. Just here you have to remember that the carbon number of the reactant and product both will be same. Follow here, 1 2 3. From propanol there is produced what? 1 2 3 4 butanol. So here from propanol there is produced butanol. So here carbon number will be increased. So from ethanol here will be produced propanol, and from propanol there is produced butanol. So you have to just follow this. And also from alkyne you can easily produce aldehyde. In that cases, carbon number should be same. From ethane, you can produce ethanol. From propane, there will be produced propanol. Butane, there will be produced butanol, like this way. Now, we will know about formalin. This is very familiar to us. Formalin. What is formalin? Formalin, 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, that means methanol, is called formalin. That means 40% aqueous solution, that means 40% methanol and 60% will be water. It is widely used in laboratories for preserving the dead bodies of different animals. You know that, follow this picture, the different dead bodies actually we preserve by using this formalin. So formalin is a 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, is called formalin. Now we will know about carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are also a homologous series of organic compounds which contains the carboxyl functional group, not carbonyl group, carboxyl functional group. There will be X, carboxyl functional group. Follow here, this compound contains COOH. This is the functional group of carboxylic acid. For this, its name is, this is a carboxylic acid group. So its name is 2 carbon. So it is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Now follow some more examples of carboxylic acid. When carbon number is 1, its name will be methanoic acid. When 2, ethanoic acid. When 3, then propanoic acid. When 4, then butanoic acid. Just from alkane, one hydrogen is replaced by carboxylic group, then that compounds are actually members of carboxylic acid homologous series. Now we will know about the naming of carboxylic acid. Similar with aldehyde group, the carbon of the carboxylic acid always will be first carbon of the longest carbon chain. So 3-methyl butanoic acid. No need to mention the number of carboxylic acid because this is always first carbon. This is ethanoic acid. Here 4 carbon for this but2-in oic acid or 2-butenoic acid. Here 4 chloro pent 2-enoic acid or 2-pentenoic acid. So like this way you can write the name. Now follow the more example. This is the simply pentanoic acid. This is 2-butenoic acid. Here is 2 carboxylic acids are present at the 2 end. For this, here propan-dioic acid, and here this is, follow this, C double bond OH. So this is actually what, 3-hydroxy. This is hydroxy, 3-hydroxy, 3-methyl, 3-hydroxy, 3-methyl pentanoic acid. Alphabetical order, 3-hydroxy, 3-methyl pentanoic acid. Now we will know about preparation of carboxylic acid or fatty acid. Actually another name of higher member of carboxylic acid is fatty acid. That means when the carbon number of carboxylic acid is more, these carboxylic acids are known as fatty acid. Now follow here preparation. Carboxylic acid can be produced from ethanol or from aldehyde by the oxidation using potassium dichromate. So in from ethanol or from acetaldehyde by aldehyde, you can easily produce carboxylic acid by using potassium dichromate. And also not only that, from ethanol also you can prepare carboxylic acid from alkane, alkyne, etc. I hope you understood. Now finally we will know about the vinegar. This is also very familiar to you. You used this vinegar in your daily life. So what is vinegar? Vinegar 4 to 10% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is called vinegar. It is used in making food or as food preservatives. Ethanoic acid 4 to 10% ethanoic acid aqueous solution, that is mixed with water, and this is also act as food preservative. How? Since it is mild acidic, ethanoic acid is present here, so there is also present hydrogen ion, because we know that acid in aqueous solution they dissociate what? Hydrogen ion, and this hydrogen ion is inhibit for growing bacteria on food. That means you like this way it act as food preservatives. So my dear students, today up to this, and in next class I will come back with polymerization reaction. Up to that, stay safe. Goodbye everybody.